Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how you can able to make a lighting pencil box, that is a pencil box, transparent pencil box with inbuilt light and charging unit. So I will not waste your time. Let's start the project. However, I have made this pencil box as per request of my daughter, so to make her happy. So let's see how I have built it. So friend, you can see I have provided a power switch, a charging unit and a rechargeable lithium ion battery along with two number LEDs, green and blue. So the total pencil box is made up of acrylic and the size is 50 mm into 50 mm into 200 mm. To make a protector, you have to provide acrylic at two end also to protect the circuit. I have provided some key also. I have provided a magnet so that it can be closed automatically. You can see it here. Magnet is provided. I have pasted some digital switches to make it look more amazing. You can see when it glows, it is looking very amazing. So when we will charge this unit with the help of mobile charger, a red light will glow, and as soon as the charging will be completed, this red light will be converted to blue light, which will indicate that the charging is complete. You can see that after completing the charging, a blue light will glow. So let's check without light. So you can see in dark it looks amazing. As the total material is made of acrylic, the total light is distributed and it seems that the total pencil box is glowing. As I have stated earlier, I have made this pencil box as per my request of my daughter, and she is very happy with this pencil box. So friend, you can make this type of pencil box for your child or anyone you want to gift, and it will cost around not more than 100 to 120 rupees. If you want to purchase a normal pencil box, it will cost around 150 rupees minimum. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.